There is a settlement tonight over the number of public housing units coming to Green Township in the next few years.
Yeah, the dispute dragged on for months through federal court, with Green Township fighting back against a proposed expansion of public housing in the community. 9 News reporter Janelle Walton is live from the Township Administrative Complex with a closer look at the agreement. Janelle?
Brendan and Carol, this whole fight came down to the expansion of public housing into more suburban neighborhoods. Green Township leaders say they fought back because that expansion was to take place primarily in their community. But now that won't happen. Green Township is claiming victory tonight. The township has agreed to allow 32 more public housing units in the community. The 32 units were part of the original proposal, but Green Township Trustees Chairman Dave Linenberg says what they didn't like was Cincinnati Metropolitan Housing Authority's demand that the expansion program take place primarily in their community before moving to other suburban neighborhoods.
It's also important that this says we don't have to be first, and that was one of our biggest problems. Originally, the VCA, Voluntary Compliance Agreement, said that the first 32 units that CMHA purchased in the whole county had to be in green. Now it's saying that that's not the case, that some can be in green, but some can also be in other communities throughout. Hamilton County Commissioner Greg Hartman and Todd Pertune voted to approve an agreement with HUD and the county for a cooperation agreement on public housing. The county had delayed the vote for months in order to give Green Township and HUD a chance to work out their differences in court.
The federal government is agreeing to not single Green Township out. I think that was the essence of this whole dispute.
Linenberg says Green Township has never been opposed to public housing. He says this agreement to allow 32 additional public housing units in their community is proof the township is not racist. There were some who suggested that's the reason Green Township wanted to keep public housing to a minimum in order to keep minorities out.
We share 10 miles of border with the city of Cincinnati. We are happy to have anyone who wants to come into Green Township come.
The law actually does allow communities like Green Township to opt out of these programs, but then that means they won't be eligible for federal block grants. Now, Linenberg says for right now, they are okay with more public housing coming to Green Township, but in the future, they may decide to opt out of the program. Brendan?
Janelle Walton reporting live for us tonight. Thanks.